For this project, which is again a netted necklace, using this time some bicones or some fire polished 4x3 or 4mm bicones with some 11/0s. I will make one sequence with fire polished, one sequence with the bicones, just to have an idea how they look like. We have two colors of seed beads, and I'll call one A and one B. A and B, and some fire polish. So we start with 3 A's, 7 B's, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 6 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 B's. Well, here we have the sequence. 3 A's, 7 B's, 6 A's, 3 B's. And we loop it up by connecting with the middle seed bead of the segment of 7. So we find the middle sequence of 7, and this is where we connect it. This is our work at the end of step 2. For step 3, we add 3 B's, 1, 2, 3, 2 A's, and we go through the first A seed bead. Okay. This is our work at the end of step 3. For step 4, we add 2 A's, 3 B's, 1, 2, 3, and to create the top loop, we skip the 2 A's and we go through this first B seed bead. Okay. For step 5, we add 1 fire polish, 1 B, another fire polish. We skip two B's from the connection, so if this one is the connector, 1, 2, and go through the second, actually the last B. Okay, and this is at the end of step 5. For step 6, we create the picot, and the picot is made out of 6 beads, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as usually, to create the picot, we skip 3 and go up through the 4th. For step 7, we add 3B, 1 fire polish, and we link with the seed bead that is in between those two bicones. Okay, and now we will need to finish this bicone. And for step 8, we add 1 fire polish, bicone, fire polish, whatever, then 3 A's, connect, so skip 2 and connect to the first B. For step 9, we add 5 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 A's and go through the third. Step 10, we add 5B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we connect with the first B after the fire polish. For step 11, we add 6A, three B, we go back up, skip 2B, go through the middle seed bead in the cluster of 5, and this is our first sequence that is going to be repeated. Let's make another sequence together by repeating from step 3 to 11. So step 3, add 3B, to A, and go through the first So for step 3, we are going to add 3 For step 3, we add 3B, 2A, we skip 2A and go through the next one. Step 4, we add 2A, three B, skip 2A from the connection and go through the first B. Step 5, this time let's try and add a bicone, one seed bead, a bicone, skip 2, go through the third. We create the picot by adding 6 seed beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 3, go up through the fourth, and make sure that the picot sits nicely and there is no loose thread in between. We add 3 B's, 3 11-0s, then 1 bicone, and we make the connection with this seed bead that is in between the previous 2 bicones. For step 8, we add 1 bicone, 3 B seed beads, and we connect with this, the first B from the previous loop. For step 9, we change the color and we are adding 5 A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We skip 2, go through the third, for step 10 we add 5B color, we change the color again, 3, 4, 5, and we connect them with the first bead after the bicone. Okay. And for step 11, we add 6A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6A. 3B. And we actually turn the loop back up and we skip 2 bees. What bees? Here. 1, 2, and connect with the third. Okay. And we continue from step 3, where we add 3A and no, we add 3 B's and 2 A's and skip 2 and connect to this one. Okay, let me know how you find this this pattern. Is not as difficult as it seems if you just take your time. Take your time. Thank you.